We have a lovely short door plus 4, 1996-97. Previously sold by us but a long time ago. In metallic red. Car benefits and power steering, and from an Allen White Speedifit hood. So they're two key attributes the car's got. Extra wing treads. Cinnamon leather inside. Central instrument panel covered in leather. Rod mirror. Motor steering wheel, walnut dashboard. Cross member covers. Door check straps. Clock. Luggage rack. Very pretty car, as I said, sold by us before, so we know it very, very well. Supplied with a car cover as well, as you can see just between the seats. And as mentioned, it benefits from one of our Speedifit hood conversions. Passenger side mirror, which is not a requirement at that time. That came in around about 1998. It's also got +8 spotlights on the front as well. Painted wires, good history folder, very pretty car, and available for all of our sports cars. Thank you for watching.